am undocumented, unafraid, and here to stay. I stand here in this courtroom being really clear that the lives of more than 700,000 undocumented people are at stake. And I'm optimistic that the Supreme Court justices will file on the side of justice. But whether or not they do that, one thing is clear: undocumented organizing and young people across the country will continue to fight. We will continue to win. We will continue to establish the rule of law, because at this moment, it is undocumented young people that are standing to defend the democracy that we also cherish.
Finish college and become a homeowner. As a parent, defending DACA is my duty, is my responsibility. My children are the reason why I walked 230 miles from New York City to Washington, D.C. No physical pain can be compared to the emotional pain I will feel if we are ever separated. My children deserve to stay with their mother in the place they call home. I hope that the justices can see our humanity, our worth, and our contributions that we make to this country as the good Americans we are. Therefore, I hope that they rule on the right side of history. I believe that we will win.
It made perfect sense to designate individuals who came to this country as children, who've been vetted, have committed no crimes. The government doesn't have the authority or the power or the resources to move with respect to deportation proceedings to all the people that it might. So these individuals are the last persons in the world that we want to evict from this country. This policy made perfect sense to everyone. Most people realize that. This administration does not want to take responsibility for terminating it, and gave the excuse by the Attorney General Sessions that it was unlawful and therefore had to be terminated. That was an excuse that makes no sense. The DACA policy was lawful and constitutional. If they had to make this decision in 2020, in an election year, they would have to explain why they were making this harsh, cruel, mean decision. These individuals have become part of the community. They've had jobs. They've supported themselves. They've had tens of thousands of children. They've become a part of the community. They have jobs. They've served in the armed forces. You're going to rip them out of that when they came here as children and threaten them to be sent to countries that they don't even know, where they may not even understand the language. They're not going to do that.